The average person spends 2 hours daily searching for misplaced items, highlighting the need for efficient home organization. Imagine having an umbrella collection that takes up half your closet space, but you can't remember where you put it. Home organization is not just about aesthetics, it's about saving time and reducing stress. A well-organized home is a reflection of a well-organized mind, and it's achievable with simple strategies. In this video, we'll explore quick home organization tips to help you tame the umbrella chaos. From decluttering to categorization, we'll cover the essential steps to creating a peaceful living space. So, let's get started and discover how to transform your home into a haven. To begin with, let's talk about the importance of umbrella storage. A single umbrella can take up to 2 cubic feet of space, which is equivalent to a large shoebox. Multiply that by the number of umbrellas you own, and you'll see why storage is crucial. But did you know that umbrella storage isn't just about space? It's also about accessibility. Imagine not being able to find your umbrella on a rainy day because it's buried under a pile of clutter. That's why it's essential to designate a specific spot for your umbrella collection. Consider investing in a shoe organizer or a hanging storage rack for your umbrellas. Not only will this keep your umbrellas visible, but it will also free up space in your closet. But what about when you have limited closet space or no umbrella stand? In that case, you can use a stackable storage container or a plastic bin with dividers. This will keep your umbrellas organized and prevent them from getting damaged. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that umbrella storage can also be a fashion statement? Yes, you read that right. A stylish umbrella stand can add a touch of personality to your entryway. And then something unexpected happened. Umbrellas it organized. Umbrellas it organized involves using a tension rod and some hooks to create a customizable storage system. I've seen it work wonders for friends and family members, and I'm excited to share it with you. So, let's get creative and explore some DIY umbrella storage ideas. From repurposing old picture frames to using magnetic hooks, the possibilities are endless. And the best part, these solutions won't break the bank or take up too much space. But what about when you have a lot of umbrellas and want to keep them separated? In that case, you can use a label maker to identify each umbrella's storage location. This will save you time when searching for a specific umbrella and keep your collection organized. But did you know that umbrella storage can also be a reflection of your personality? Yes, you can choose an umbrella stand that reflects your style or interests. For example, a vintage-inspired umbrella stand can add a touch of elegance to your entryway. And then something unexpected happened. I discovered a simple way to keep my umbrellas clean. It involves using a microfiber cloth and some gentle soap to wipe down the umbrellas. This will keep your umbrellas looking new and prevent dirt from building up. So, let's explore some simple umbrella care tips to keep your collection in top shape. From cleaning to maintenance, we'll cover everything you need to know. And the best part, these tips won't take up too much time or effort. But what about when you have a lot of umbrellas and want to keep them in order? In that case, you can use a color coding system to identify each umbrella's storage location. This will save you time when searching for a specific umbrella and keep your collection organized. But did you know that umbrella storage can also be a great way to reuse old items? Yes, you can repurpose old shelves, crates, or even a ladder to create a unique umbrella stand. And then something unexpected happened. I discovered a simple way to make my umbrella stand more accessible. It involves using a step stool or a riser to elevate the umbrella stand. This will make it easier to access your umbrellas, especially if you have mobility issues. So, let's explore some creative ways to make your umbrella stand more accessible. From using a storage ottoman to incorporating a grab bar, the possibilities are endless. And the best part, these solutions won't take up too much space or break the bank. But what about when you have a lot of umbrellas and want to keep them visible? In that case, you can use a glass or acrylic storage container to showcase your umbrella collection. This will keep your umbrellas organized and add a touch of style to your entryway. But did you know that umbrella storage can also be a great way to add some greenery to your space? Yes, you can incorporate a small potted plant or a living wall to create a unique umbrella stand. And then something unexpected happened. I discovered a simple way to make my umbrella stand more functional. It involves using a storage basket or a laundry sorter to keep your umbrellas organized and within reach. This will save you time when searching for a specific umbrella and keep your collection tidy. So, let's explore some creative ways to make your umbrella stand more functional. From using a shoe rack to incorporating a pegboard, The possibilities are endless. And the best part, these solutions won't take up too much space or break the bank. If you found these quick home organization tips helpful, subscribe for more creative storage solutions and DIY projects.